What's up everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging. My name is Ezoic Vs and in this video I will share my experience with Ezoic Ad Network. So whether you are using Ezoic or want to use Ezoic, then you should watch this video. So here I am using the Ezoic for the last 7 days and I have got the Ezoic approval in my website key2blogging.com, and I will share the earnings also later in this video, so stay tuned for that. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. So let me explain what is Ezoic. So Ezoic is a ad platform like AdSense. Like when you apply for Ezoic, it will give you a code, or you can connect your website through Cloudflare, or you can connect the website through name server. Or if you are using WordPress, then you can use the Ezoic plugin to connect the Ezoic to your website, and then Ezoic will show ads to your website and pays for every ad impression that you get on your website. Unlike AdSense, AdSense give the earning whenever a user click on the ads, but Ezoic pays for every ad impression. So if you are working on niche where you are getting a very low clicks, then you should go for the Ezoic ad network. That's because it gives per impressions, not per click, and it has some AI features that will automatically place the ads on your website where you get more impressions and where you get more CPC. And you can also connect AdSense with Ezoic. So if you are already approved with AdSense, then you can connect your AdSense account to Ezoic. So if Ezoic ads will give better CPC, then it will show Ezoic ad, and if the AdSense ad will give better CPC, it will show the AdSense ad. So both Ezoic ad and AdSense ad compete with each other, and whoever win the CPC rate, the ad platform will show the ad. So eventually you will get better CPC on your website. So here you don't need to get AdSense approval, you can only apply for Ezoic as well. So if you have facing any issue getting AdSense approval, then you should also try for getting Ezoic approval as well. So earlier Ezoic gives traffic requirement, but now you can apply for Ezoic for a new website as well, and you can apply for your Blogger website and WordPress website as well. So as you can see that I am using Ezoic on my website, and you have noticed that there is a video ad showing here. So if you notice that video ads will give better CPC on your website, so it is a good to have a video ad like this, and you can see a sticky ad like this. So all these ads are placing by Ezoic automatically, and if you want to block certain ads, you can also block that using the Ezoic extension. So I will cover it in the later video. So as you can see that Ezoic is placing this ad, and it is also optimizing your site speed. And as you can see that the YouTube video is loading in a lazy way, so it will only load the YouTube video whenever a user click on the video. So it will also taking care of the site speed. But remember that if you use AdSense, you will get better speed, but if you use Ezoic, then the speed will reduce a little bit. So you have to compromise the speed to get more earning from your website. So if you are worried about speed, then I don't recommend you should go for Ezoic. But if you want to earn more from the same traffic that you are getting from your website, then you should definitely consider the Ezoic platform. So as you can see that there is a lot of ads showing by Ezoic. So Ezoic generally plays a lot of ads to maximize the earning of your website. That's why I have put some limitations, so it can't show more ads if the page has low word count. Like if you have written a 400 word articles, then it can show maximum 7 ads, because I have set the limit. So you can also do all the customizations from the Ezoic dashboard. So as you can see that by default it will show a lot of ads, so you have to focus on user experience. So there is also a toggle button, so let me show you how you can do that. So let me go through the Ezoic dashboard here. So as you can see that I have been using the Ezoic platform for the 7 days, and here in 7 days I am using it from December 8. So technically using it from December 9, and today is 16. So approximately 7 days, and here you can see that I am getting 1800 page views, and I am earning around $8. So if you say per 1000 page views, I am getting $4. But if I check or if I compare it with AdSense, then in 1000 views I barely earn $1. but here in 1000 views I am getting $4, so which is 400% more than the AdSense. So earning will be definitely increased if you use Ezoic on your website. And here you can see the comparison here. In December 12 I have got 250 page views, but I am getting $0.38. But when you compare it, in December 13 I am getting 268 page views and I am earning $2.73. So earning is quite good in Ezoic compared to AdSense. And if you check the website visits here, so let me check the analytics, open the analytics in Ezoic. Alright, as you can see that the graph of the page views, and here I am getting total 2761 page views, and out of this the ads are shown to 1415 page views, and still I am getting very good earning from Ezoic. That's because I don't want to show ads on home pages, about us pages, or my services pages, because these are important pages. That's why I am not showing any ads on those pages. I have excluded that, and still I am getting very good earning from Ezoic. So I definitely recommend Ezoic if you want to improve your earning, and if you are using AdSense for quite a lot of time and you want to test different ad network, then I definitely recommend you should go for Ezoic. So but you have to compromise on your site loading speed, because it will show a lot of ads on your website and it will decrease the loading speed. Although you have to compromise it to get more earning, and here Ezoic also give you CDN functionality, so all the sites will be served from Ezoic CDN. But if you are using Cloudflare, then it will also use the Cloudflare sign-in method to connect your website to Ezoic. So you have to use Cloudflare if you are using Blogger platform, and if you are using like different platform, then you can use name server method as well to connect your website. So overall Ezoic is a very good platform that I recommend, and I will also bring a detailed video on how to get Ezoic approval and how to apply for Ezoic. So stay tuned for that. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and if you have any doubt regarding Ezoic, then do let me know in the comment section, and I will reply each and every one if possible. So thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.